Alright guys, welcome back to another MTB Breaking Trail video. Today we are here at Tannery Bike Park in Johnson City, Tennessee. We are riding multiple trails, including the black and a blue. Actually, two blues, sorry. And one lap on a green. We're actually getting warmed up on the pump track right now because it is raining. But as soon as the rain stops, we will continue riding. So, we're also riding with MTB Max and the Ridges, Blaine Dawson. Another video about today will be coming out on MTB Max and the Ridges. So, once again, I hope you enjoy this video. Technically, you're actually supposed to gap into this and land right here. Take this part slow. Take that part right there pretty slow. For fun and content. Just take it slow, it's not that bad. It's not that bad if you take it slow. Oh, take the high line. Don't take the high line after I crash. I've tried that before. It's just a bunch of rock jank. This is the harder of the two. All right, get back. Back on the saddle. All right, get very far back. Get back on your saddle. Really off.
Far back.
Far back, Max.
Far back. Far back.
I've ridden this trail before. It isn't that bad. All right, you got a jank rock garden.
That's a janky rock.
Don't worry, it flattens out. Another jank rock garden. Another janky rock garden.
Even more janky rock.
And a drop. Woohoo! I'm on a high. All right, get back. Just a little section. Woohoo! You all good? Rock garden. And you are finished.
We did it, Max! We survived!
You finished. You want a breaker? Break or go? You ready? All right. Tight berms. Woo-hoo. This berm's way too tight to try to clear. Ah, I slipped the pedal. Oh. I'll leave.
You leave. I'll just say.
Max, you ready?
Max, ready? I'm going.
Hang on. Poor butterfly. Okay, hit your brakes. Yeah, hit your brakes. I ain't full sending that yet. That was kind of sketchy. I did a wall ride and then went up the wall. Rock lip. First cliff. All right, I'm taking this kind of slow, Blaine. I don't want to pull a Kaler. Oh God.
Yeah.
I hit a rock. Double. There's a... Yeah, there was a double. Yeah, I know. Everybody does. Finally, I can actually... okay, brake. The worst thing is they put all those rocks at the top of it. Like they make sure that there's rocks at the top of all their berms. Phew. Time to get steep, boys. Woohoo! Yeah, I know. I'm braking.
Here it is. This is the scariest place.
Definitely slow down. Woo. Watch that turn, it's flat. Rocks. Alright guys, thank you for watching MTB Breaking Trail. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun. We rode with Blaine Dawson from the Ridges and MTB Max. Super fun. Tannery knobs. Fun. Finishing it up. A bit of flow on the pump jack. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time.